This is 60 Second Civics, and today I'm going to talk to you about how do you know what you know is true?
What if I told you everything you believe is a lie?
Welcome to epistemology, the study of how we know what we know. Epistemology is a great starting place for being skeptical about the news. When consuming any type of news, you should ask the same question that René Descartes asked in the 1600s.
Am I being tricked by an evil demon?
René Descartes was basically the 1600s version of Neo, and he would wake up and ask himself, is my reality being fed to me by an evil demon? He decided he would throw everything he knew out and start from scratch. This is when he uncovered the only thing that he could know is that he is a breathing, conscious being. He called this cogito ergo sum, or I think, therefore I am. When it comes to the news, every time you're reading a headline, you're trusting a system. You should always be skeptical. You should ask, are they an evil demon trying to trick me? How do they know this? What might I be missing? So question everything, even your own brain.